Dear passengers, the 1742 service to somewhere else has been delayed due to a previously undetected sadness in the timetable. Please remain calm, remain damp, and remain financially responsible for your own inconvenience. I bought a ticket to a destination, printed in a font too small to trust. Platform B was under renovation. Platform C had turned to rust. The signs all blinked in ancient anger. The app said soon, the speaker coughed. A pigeon judged my life in silence, while half my hope was carried off. A bus replacement, replaced the bus that never came. And somewhere in a glassy office, a man with graphs denied all blame. Oh, timetable, my broken scripture. Oh, route map, sacred labyrinth. I gave you coins, I gave you patience. You gave me wind and peppermint. Delay me in weather made of soup. Cancel my connection, loop me through the loop. See me by the toilet or stand me by the door. I paid for transportation but received a minor war. Oh, carry me reluctantly through tunnels, fog and shame. Public transport promised movement, but mostly gave me rain. There's chicken curry in the carriage, and someone's socks have filed a claim. A child screams like a fax machine, announcing fiscal pain. A student plays a tiny speaker at interplanetary war. The bass line punches through my kidneys and asks politely for some more. The seats were shaped by hostile scholars who never owned a spine. My knees are folded into customs on a form from '89. A man beside me eats an egg with terrifying confidence, and I become a silent witness to olfactory violence. Oh, ticket thin and overpriced. Oh, barcode, little cryptic square. You promised me a quiet journey and sold me someone else's air. Delay me in weather made of soup. Cancel my connection, loop me through the loop. See me by the toilet or stand me by the door. I paid for transportation but received a minor award. Oh, carry me reluctantly through tunnels, fog and shame. Public transport promised movement, but mostly gave me rain. Form 8A, complaint regarding moisture. Form 9C, request for legroom denied. Toilet unavailable due to history. Your seat exists in theory only. Please validate your suffering before the final stop. The night train whispers, sleep dear traveler, then rattles like a drawer of bones. A stranger breathes in Morse beside me, transmitting damp and groans. At 3:11, you know where we stop for reasons unrevealed. The moon looks down with mild disgust on passengers congealed. The vending cart arrives at sunrise with sandwiches of legal grey. €8 for a brick of sadness, wrapped in yesterday. On flights it isn't any better. The meal arrives in plastic steam, a tray of edible confusion from a bureaucrat's fever dream. Ladies and gentlemen, We apologize for the inconvenience. The inconvenience has been upgraded to a lifestyle. Passengers continuing beyond despair should change at platform 4, where replacement feeling may or may not arrive. The bus is full, the train is full, the tram is full of human paste. I wedge myself between two backpacks and someone's existential waste. My arm belongs to someone else now. My foot has joined another queue. A baby screams in 3-part harmony with the man on Bluetooth too. The doors close on my better nature. My jacket stays behind outside. And as we lurch into the morning, I lose all faith in civic pride. Delay me beneath fluorescent paint. Cancel every promise and call it heavy rain. Sell me burnt lasagna at a luxury price. Lock the only bathroom and tell me that it's nice. Oh, carry me unwillingly through schedules bent and torn. Public transport, promise, movement, but I arrived unborn. Delay me in queues that never end. I started as a passenger and left as my own friend. Mind the gap between expectation and service provision. Mind the gap between the platform and your remaining dignity. Mind the gap, mind the smell, mind the child, mind the timetable. This journey terminates here due to operational despair.